Hi guys, good morning. No work today guys. I'm on vacation. So I'm now with my asawa. We're taking our coffee and this one. Ooh, gingerbread. Good morning everyone and Merry Christmas. That's our babies.
Podaruj bliskość na święta. Czyli
Hi guys, si asawa guys ay nagluluto for our breakfast. Asawa. Morning, morning. No work guys, no work. You're making carbonara.
Carbonara flavor.
This one, what is this?
Carbonara hot chicken. Carbonara ramen with
Okay.
fried egg.
Yummy.
This is the
So,
sauce.
nagluluto si asawa guys. He's making for breakfast. We done our coffee and now he's making breakfast.
This is our wine for tonight
Mm-hmm.
without alcohol, rosé.
Oh, so we'll make cheers tonight. Oh, nice asawa. Nice. We will drink tonight. We will drink tonight. Yeah. And
And tomorrow we will drink the red wine. Also
tomorrow,
without alcohol.
it's without alcohol. He likes without alcohol, guys, because he don't drink with alcohol. So, and
the
me
day after
also.
tomorrow,
And the
we'll
day
drink
after tomorrow,
white wine without alcohol.
nice. And we will drink tonight. We will enjoy because no work for 1 week, guys. 1 week.
More than 1 week. 9 months.
Tapos na si asawa guys nagluto sa aming breakfast. Sipag-sipag ni asawa eh.
Enjoy.
So here it is, carbonara! Ito na yung breakfast namin guys. Mag-chopstick daw ko guys. So, this is our breakfast. Carbonara! Paano kaya din siya? Thank you, Lord. How to eat like this?
Like that, you use this as a knife. See?
Yeah, but
First, you divide this, not like this. Like this, you cut like a knife. And then, take one. See? Like this.
But I don't know how to do it, Laban.
You don't know. Look. Mmm. 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 Spicy.
Oh my God.
You like?
Very spicy. Masarap siya but very spicy.
Mm. You like the egg? Hmm?
Sarap. Mm. At ayan na nga guys, pagkatapos namin kumain ng aming breakfast, nagpatuloy kami sa dekorasyon. Tinulungan ko si asawa. Inayos lang niya kasi nahulog yung Phoenix niya noon. So, yan ang ginagawa namin. Kasi nagre-ready kami. Kasi meron kaming bisita.
Careful.
Ako'y natakot yan guys kasi umakyat siya ng hagdan kasi mahaba kaya at saka medyo chubby-chubby yung aking asawa. Kaya ako'y natatakot tingnan siya na umakyat dyan sa hagdan. Panagya mo. Buti na lang is naayos na. Okay na ang lahat. Naglilinis kami guys sa aming bahay. Kasi we are preparing for our Christmas. Ay, naglinis. Si asawa nag-ayos. Nag-iskupa siya. Ito guys, ang prepare ni asawa. Si asawa nag-prepare niyan guys. Lahat. He prepared everything. I didn't do nothing. Yan siya lahat. This one. Everything he prepared. Siyan. This. And si Mama Mary. So, it's everything fixed. Dito. Yan. Balloons. So, ito yung entrance. Nice. Saka dito yung hall. Toilet. And ito yung bed. Prepare din siya guys. Yan. Prepared lahat ni asawa yan. Yeah. Si asawa. Naglilinis si asawa. He's helping me guys. Bravo asawa. Thank you for helping me cleaning the house. Buta ni si asawa oh. At ito na guys, finally natapos na rin kami naglinis, nag-ayos. At ito na yung final na ayos ni asawa. Ito yung table setting niya for our Christmas dinner with our family, friends. relatives. Actually, sa akin lang na side, guys, kasi si asawa, wala dito yung family niya. Nasa Germany yung mama niya. Yung mga cousin naman niya is nasa Poland. So, siya lang mag-isa dito sa Greece. So, kami dito at yung side ko nandito. So, kami magkasama lahat para mag-celebrate ng Christmas. At ayan, si Mama Mary. Meron kami dito sa bahay. Napakaganda ng ambience ng aming bahay, guys. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa ni asawa. It's very nice. I like it very much and I'm very happy for his effort, guys. It's really nice. You know, siya ang gumawa niyan lahat. Napaka-creative niya, guys. Marunong siyang mag-decorate. Anong gagawin? Kasi kung ako, guys, ako'y tinatamad. Hey guys, ang ganda. So, I'm very happy kay asawa. At yan na, guys. Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. God bless everyone. Enjoy, enjoy.